Hey, this is Mr. Shrum, and I'm going to walk you through the two tasks for the solving a biodiversity problem. The first is a simulation, and we're simulating deforestation, which means we are showing the process of removing trees over time to use as resources. And this actually damages the environment if not carefully done with a mind for uh, environmental sustainability. Okay. And in part A, all you have to do is pick a forest, research it. What's the climate? Where is it located? What types of plants and animals live there? Is deforestation a threat? And that's all you have to do. So here's the example. For the teacher edition, the taiga is located in northern Canada and northern Asia. Lots of animals and insects live there. It's a coniferous forest. The climate is cold, and the main food supply are these trees. So if you remove these trees, you're taking away food supply, protection, and shelter for these animals. And in part B, this is the actual simulation part. And how we're going to do this is we'll create a grid of these boxes, and each box represents a certain amount of trees. So right here, we're going to use Google Sheets, I think is easiest, but we're gonna build a 5x5 grid. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let me clear this one out. Clear that formatting, but we'll do 5x5 and then color it gray. Gray means it is untouched. So in year one, no trees have been deforested or logged. Copy this one. And then go back to the problem. So we know that there are 4,500 trees in the forest and no deforestation. We know in year 5, 1,080 trees were deforested. And in year 10, an additional 1,980 trees were deforested. And we need to find out how many trees there are in each block. So we know there's 4,500 total trees. How many blocks are there? Well, 5 by 5, 5 times 5. If you count up these blocks, there's 25 blocks. So if we do 4,500 divided by 25, we get 180 trees. So we know there's 180 trees per block. Year 5, 1,080 are deforested. So we'll do 180 divided by 180. And we get 6 blocks. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Highlight these squares and then fill in with black. There you go. Copy this one again. And then in year 10, 1,980 trees are deforested. So we divide that by 180. And you get 11 more boxes. So we count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and got coffee over. Weird. There we go. Click that, clear that. Okay. So now we do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. Mm. Mm. There we go. So we colored in 6 boxes here, and then we colored in 11 more boxes. So in total, we colored in 17 boxes in black. Part C, now we're going to go backwards. We're going to actually plant new trees. In year 5, 540 new trees will be planted. Year 10, 900 additional new trees will be planted. So now we're going to pick another color. They picked white for this one. And now we're going to color in the boxes that have been reforested. So 540 divided by 180, that's 3. So you color in 3 boxes white. Year 10, you're going to take the year 10 and then color in 2, 4, 6, 8 boxes. So this means that while they took out this many trees by year 5, they replanted 540 trees. Okay. And then in year 10, they replanted an additional 900. So hopefully you can see that on your computer screen. But that's the end of that first task. Now, the second task is creating a presentation, and you want to organize your information like a paragraph. So here's an example. Introduction to the forest you choose. Talk about the climate, the biodiversity, why it's important to humans. Biodiversity means, all right, what kind of plants and animals live there? And then you can move on to deforestation, reforestation rate, strengths and weaknesses of plan, reduces deforestation but doesn't eliminate the problem. New trees don't offer the same types, quantities of resources as adult trees. What are some other possible solutions? So this is all about putting together a presentation like the other course activities. You want to use pictures and words to present information. So pick some good forest pictures for deforestation and reforestation and post them here. Create and deliver your presentation. We're just going to create the presentation, and you can do so in Google Slides. I'll open up my advisory and then click a new Google Slides. Come on, here we go. Yeah, you would just take that outline that they gave you here. Take this line and then make a presentation out of it. So you do, okay, this is the title slide. This is the intro. This is the reforestation, deforestation. Why is it good? Why is it bad? What can we do? Stuff like that. And then you can include these pictures that you you uploaded here too. And that's it, really. Okay, so hopefully that made sense to you. It's not as hard as it seems. I think the trickiest part is the simulation, but I think that is enough, easy enough for you guys to figure out with a little bit of thought. And then the presentation is just like every other course activity. So get to Google Slides, put up some slides, make it pretty, and then email me. Email me stuff at my email. It's ZSHRUM. Here, let me actually type it out. So it's actually Shrum Z at tulsaschools.org. And then you can also email me stuff in Canvas Messenger too. But that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed that and learned something from that. And until next time, have a good one, be safe, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.